Hey, hello, I'm Zach. We're making our rosemary bread, so I'm prepping our sponge the night before. So it's mixed, and now we get to cover it to set it overnight. Okay, Emily, what are you doing now?
I'm measuring the rest of the ingredients into our sponge.
And what ingredients are those?
Flour, water,
and yeast. Nice. This is our dough. Alright, so we just added salt to it after it rose 15 minutes, and mixing it in and it'll rise 30 minutes again. Okay, we're gonna try and fold this 8 times. I think I'm just folding it over. I have to stand up, I'm sorry. I said I could sit, and then I lied. Is that a fold?
Yeah, that's a fold.
Okay. Ooh, I stole some of the dough. This side fold will be 8. I don't really know if I folded very well, but
you did fine.
it's a thing. It's done.
And fold, and then
I think it's just 30 minutes and then repeat folds.
yep.
Nice. 30 more minutes. Do it.
Yep.
This is our third and final folding. One. Great. We'll go with that. We are now mincing our rosemary, so it's ready for the bread when we need it. Emily's doing it, and she looks like she knows what she's doing.
Have you fooled?
Alright, so we're flouring the counter. Gonna divide the dough in half and flour it. And then put it in our 9-inch round pans for baking after letting it sit for just a little bit. Ooh, it's going, it's going, it's going. Beautiful.
And we didn't end up with the flour entirely, but
That's fine, that's fine.
our doughs are done, so we're gonna put them top side down and roll. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Slicky.
Yeah. Well, it kind of does that, doesn't it?
Imagine that, yeah.
And then it's flip it over, right?
Yep, you got the tops and sides. We put it upside down, so the top and sides are oily.
This makes me nervous.
Yeah. That's fine.
Oh.
Beautiful, easy peasy. And then you do that. And I think we just cover and let it rise. And we're about to do it with the second one there.
Yep. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, go for it. I'll be on this one video. Ooh, violent. Okay, we let it rest just 5 minutes. Now we're gonna try and, I don't know what their wording was, but tuck it and until it fits the whole pan. And I'm gonna watch Emily because she's done this before.
I didn't do it well before.
Whew, so much oil. We had to oil these pans with 2 tablespoons of
Oil
oil.
a piece.
Yeah, 2 tablespoons each. Isn't that crazy?
Ain't that a shame?
I'm probably not being gentle enough, but
I mean, I think I'm being too gentle.
it's great. Between the 2 of us, one of them will come out right then, right? Right?
Bold of you
That's
to
how that
assume.
works.
We can't just make the average bread.
Oh. So much oil.
I know, right?
Is it supposed to like literally be touching the edge?
As close as you can get it to the edge.
I might
Look
let
at that.
mine rest a little bit longer.
Look how good yours is doing.
But it's too springy back to actually like stay all the way. So I think that's
Yeah.
when I said we can let it rest a little bit longer. There's so much oil, it's like coming out of the sides when I hook it into the sides.
I mean, you kind of have to be gentle with it because it's already like elasticy, so if you fight it more, it's gonna fight you more. But if
Yeah.
you just kind of coax it Is that okay, bread? Bread.
I'm gonna let mine sit for a second. A few minutes.
I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect.
Yeah.
Focaccia is kind of rustic anyway.
That's how it's pronounced. I think I didn't say it in the first video.
Yep.
Because I didn't know how to say it.
Kind of sounds like focaccia bread.
Oh, I might just call that good.
Then we get to stab it.
Yes. I'll go grab fork. We're just gonna leave this video going.
Yep.
Long
I
video.
mean-
It's good.
Just gonna make Emily edit it. It's fine.
Yeah.
It's fine. I like editing.
For the record, I offered to edit this one. I think I just had more dough. That way it was a little bit easier. Or maybe my
Yeah.
pan's a little bit smaller.
I mean,
That's fine. Okay. We're just gonna split it in half. You think that's about half each?
yeah.
Okay. And then we just sprinkle them over the top? This is so much. I like it.
Well, that's what you asked for, and you got it.
Thanks, friend. Possible bits.
It looks really
Okay.
pretty.
These are the finished, oiled, pushed, rosemaried breads. I don't remember what's next. I think we just let it sit for another 5 to 10 minutes, so we'll see you then. Alright, here are the final loaves. We're adding the oil from leftover in the pan, using it as the drizzle on the top. Rosemary's not really sticking, so we're making sure we don't peel it all off when we're doing this.
Yep, that's why we're dabbing instead of brushing.
Yeah. Yep. We're ready to taste it. It's supposed to cool 30 minutes. Again, Adon, my roommate, Brian, my roommate,
Yep.
taste testers.
What are your thoughts?
Good.
I like
It's
it.
just bread.
Well, there's like a saltiness to it,
Yeah,
which I really like.
we salted the pan.
Rosemary's weird.
The
They're really-
rosemary is amazing.
That's okay. I had the corner like an edge piece, and it didn't have any like real rosemary on it. It just kind of had the flavor in it, which I liked.
Right. Yeah.
Is the actual rosemary itself too much?
That one's on top?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I don't know. Second bite was better.
Okay, our turn.
Comedy's not
Rosemary bread.
like it's not supposed to be funny. But she's a comedian. There's like this is the medium that she.
I like a lot.
And she just talked about.
Would I
how,
put
like,
rosemary on
she
it
should
again?
make us laugh.
No, I would put
You know,
cheese
you're talking
on
about
it.
like the,
Really?
You know.
No.
Oh, cheese could be good. I like the rosemary.
I'm here to make you laugh.
I do like the
Just laugh.
rosemary. It's just not my first choice.
I like it a lot. The
Yeah.
crisp, yeah, they were like the salt on the edge, and it's very crispy, crusty.
Russ will miss the point.
Yeah.
Any final comments?
Bread.
Bread. Yes. Yeast.